Hello students, Saira. Welcome to our online session. So today I am going to take English subject. Okay, ready all of you? Before starting our lesson or poem, I am going to ask a small question, a riddle. Ready all of you? Let's see. Who am I? I like to hop around. I am a tadpole when I am young. I croak and catch flies with my long tongue. Just think, who am I? Come on, students, you can. You have to find out which animal. Just think, all of you. I'm giving you time. Just think. Come on. So, ready to see picture? Who am I? Here it comes. Oh, see, so nicely it hops. It's a frog. Yes. So today, students, we are going to learn poem. Okay. So today, title of the poem is Froggy's at School. Title of the poem is Froggy's at School. This poem we are going to recite twice. Okay, students? See, so many frogs. So many froggies. Froggies. Okay, there are many frogs. Okay? See, they are going to school. Wow. So, let's start. Title of the poem is Froggies at School. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests, all white and clean. Okay, this is your first stanza. You are going to recite this poem twice. This is your first stanza. Now second stanza. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. This is your second stanza. Okay. Now third stanza. Master Froggy, grave and stern, called the classes in their turn. Taught them how to nobly strive, likewise how to leap and dive. Okay. This is your third stanza. Let's repeat again. Okay, we will recite this poem again. Title of the poem is Froggies at School. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. Next stanza. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Okay, now third stanza. Master Froggy, grave and stern, called the classes in their turn. Taught them how to nobly strive, likewise how to leap and dive. So shall I explain you meaning? Okay. Stanza wise, I am going to explain you meaning. Ready all of you? Here it comes. Oh wow, so nice frogs. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. So there were 20 froggies. Okay, went to school. Where is their school? Down beside a rushy pool. What rush? See, rushy means. What is the meaning of rushy? Rushy means full of plants that grow near water. Okay. 20 little coats of green. So they were wearing coats of green, and 20 vest all white and clean. Vest means inner. Inner, that inside the coat. Okay, 20 vest all white. Color is white and it is clean. Okay students, vest means inside the coat. I hope you understood. Shall I repeat again? Okay, I will. Again, first stanza I am explaining you. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. Okay, so 20 froggies, where they go? Went to school. Where is their school? Is down beside a rushy pool. Rushy means full of plants that grow near water. Okay, full of plants, small plants are there. And where you can see the frogs? Yes, near the water. 20 little coats of green. So their uniform is coats of green, coat green color, and 20 vests all white and clean. So inside that coat they are wearing vest. Okay, all white and clean. I hope you understood. Let's go to the second stanza. Oh, second stanza. Here I can see so many frogs. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Okay, so what is their rule? Their rule is we must be in time. So always be punctual. Okay students. So first their rule is, first they will do studies, then they will play. How you are doing at home? First you do study, then you play. Same way these froggies, they have their rules. Okay. We must be in time, said they. Froggies. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Okay students. So always first you have to do your studies, then afterwards you have to play. Exam is coming, so be ready. Okay. So first you study well, then you play. Okay students. Now third stanza. Oh, who is this? Master Froggy, grave and stern. Call the classes in their turn. Taught them how to nobly strive, likewise how to leap and dive. How to leap and dive. Okay, so Master Froggy. Here you can see Master Froggy is grave and stern. Is grave and stern. So what grave means? Let's see. Grave means serious. Okay. So Master Froggy is serious. And stern means strict. I don't think your teacher is like Master Froggy. No, teacher is very friendly with you all. Yes students. So what this Master Froggy is doing is very serious and strict. Okay. Call the classes in their turn. He used to call turn by turn. Do you remember when we do some activity in our class? Yes, do you remember teacher used to call turn by turn, one by one. Everyone teacher is giving you everyone is getting the chance. Yes, remember students? So same way this Master Froggy also called the classes in their turn. Taught them how. Taught them means he teach them. Teach is a past tense of taught. Taught them how to nobly strive. Nobly means in the right way. Strive means work hard. Strive means work hard. Okay. In a right way you have to work hard. Likewise, how to leap and dive. What's it mean leap? Leap means to jump high. Dive, to jump into water with your arms and head first. Okay, students? So this is the meaning. So what all things this Master Froggy taught? Master Froggy is very serious and strict, grave and stern. Call the classes in their turn. So it means, this line means, this Master Froggy used to call the students turn by turn and taught them how to nobly strive. That means go in a right way and you have to do hard work. Same likewise, how to leap and dive. How to leap and dive. Okay, leap means to jump high and dive to jump into the water with your arms and head first. Okay. So this way, this I explained you the meaning. Now let me ask. Let me see how much do you know. Okay. I am going to ask few questions. Ready all of you? So answer the following few questions. What did the froggies wear while going to school? Just think. What did the froggies wear while going to school? I hope you know this. Just think. Here is your answer. The froggies wore green coats and white vests while going to school. Okay? Again I am repeating this question. What did the froggies wear while going to school? The froggies wore past tense, wore green coats and white vests while going to school. Okay, student? Now next question. Here is your next question. You have to describe Master Froggy. How was the Master Froggy? Yes, just think. Remember I explained you? Yes, he is very friendly and happy. Just think. No, I don't think he is very friendly. So here is your answer. Master Froggy was grave and stern. Grave means serious and stern, little strict. Okay, Master Froggy was grave and stern. Okay, students, I hope you understood. Good. Now next question. What did the master teach froggies? What did the master teach froggies? Just think. Here is your answer. The master taught froggies to work hard, as well as to leap and dive. The master taught froggies to work hard as well as to leap and dive. Okay, students, shall I repeat this question again? One more time. What did the master teach froggies? The master taught. Okay. Teach past tense, taught. Taught froggies to work hard as well as to leap and dive. Taught spelling TAUGHT. Students, do writing practice at home. Okay. Now let's go to next question. Here is the next question. Mention the rhyming words in the poem. Okay, let's see the rhyming words. School, pool. So what is rhyming words? Here. School. sounds similar, spelling will be different. Okay, so sounds similar. This from the poem you will get last word school and pool. CHOOL, school, pool, POOL, pool. Okay students, now next rhyming word green clean. Green clean sounds similar. Yes, sounds similar. Where you will get this? From first stanza. See, green. Here it comes clean. From this stanza, last word. You have to take the, it should be, remember, sounds similar, spelling will be different. Okay, slight changes in the spelling and it sounds similar. Rhyming words. Always remember students. Now, next one. They play. They play. Here, we must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. So here is the rhyming word. They play. Yes, similar sound. Okay. Stern, turn. Stern, turn. Sounds similar. Next stanza, that is third stanza, you will get Master Froggy, grave and stern, call the classes in their turn. Okay, so here it is stern, turn. Okay, stern, turn. Now next one, last but not the least, strive, dive. Where you will get this is there in third stanza. Okay. Strive, dive. Strive, dive. Sound similar? Yes students. So you have to take the last word, read properly, and you have to when you will read you will understand. Yes, sounds similar. Then only you have to take this rhyming words from the poem. Okay, that's in the poem you will get. Okay. I hope you understood this rhyming words. School, pool, green, clean, they play, stern, turn, strive, dive. Okay students. Now that's a small surprise for you all. Are you ready? Ready all of you? Here is your surprise. Oh, small activity. Okay. Take any book, any rough book or practice book at home. Write these alphabets and find out the words. Okay. Find out the words from the puzzle box. Okay students. So here I gave you the words. You have to find out from here. Okay. Bull. So from where you will get this bull? Let's see. Oh, here B is there, U is there, L, bull. So from here, that is from my right to left. Bull. Okay. Little different this puzzle. Now second one, pond. What is this pond? P. Yeah, I got it. PMUJ. No. Here it is. From top to bottom. Let's do this. From up to down. Yes, pond. Next is third one, tree. Where is the tree? T. Oh, here is a T. From down to up. Let's go. From down to up. Okay. Little different puzzle. Now next is legs. Okay, fine. Where I will get these legs? Here, below the bull. Okay, fine. From left to right. From left to right. Legs. 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 Next is frog. Let's see where is a frog. Oh, I can find. I found it. Here it is. FROG. Oh, it's going to sliding way. It's going to left side. Towards left. Ready? FROG. It's going towards the left side. Yes, I got it. Yes, students? Now, last word, sixth one is jump. Where is this J? I got J. J-U-N. No. Oh, here it is. J. From down to up. From down to up. J-U-M-P. Jump. Students, you do this. It's very good. You can have a fun. You will have a fun by doing this. Okay, students? Do one thing, keep a timer and start doing this. Find out the words. Okay? Do practice at home in your rough book or any practice book. Okay, students? Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Sai Ram.